Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the pound dollar, I still think that this is going to, especially with that monthly candle that we just had close last week, I still think that this is going to end up growing into an uptrend. I think it's eventually going to take out these highs, probably make a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, or possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Either scenario, whether it's an A or whether it's a 1, definitely doesn't matter to me, because either way I'll be looking for longs on shorter time frames. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it definitely looks to be like a 1, it looks like a 2, and it looks like we're in a wave 3. Now, just because we're in a wave 3 doesn't mean there won't be pullbacks along the way, but I do consider that it will most likely just keep making those higher highs, higher lows, eventually end up looking something like this, just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So, taking it down to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, it looks like a wave 1 right here. It looks like 3 waves down, probably an ABC of 2. I could definitely picture this being like a 1 of 3 and maybe making a bigger crescent before it actually goes up for like a 2 of 3 and then goes up for a 3 of 3. But since we still don't have a break of structure to the downside yet, I'm still very bullish. I'm still looking at this move down as just maybe being another little pullback within a much bigger trend, which I think that trend is a wave 3. So I'm definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we are definitely starting to turn down pretty hard, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything. The structure level that I'm still looking at is way back here, so unless price breaks that level, the trend for me is still up, and I'm still looking at this as possibly being a crescent to the uptrend. So if we do see like 3 waves down, we see an impulsive move up, then that's definitely the entry that I'm looking for the continuation of this trend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely a very strong move down, so at this point, depending on where you trade, if you trade on these shorter time frames, I would definitely be looking for shorts because we should keep on going down probably at least to one of these Fibonacci levels. But if you're kind of like me and you trade on these medium time frames, then you're probably waiting for like a 3-way pattern. You're waiting for an impulsive move up. If you see that, especially if it happens at a Fibonacci level, and if it takes out structure from that third wave, like the wave C, then that's definitely going to be the entry that I'm looking for the continuation of the uptrend. 3 waves down, impulsive up, entry to go long. All the higher time frames are still telling me the trend is up. Shorter time frames, I'm still looking for longs and an uptrend at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.